Okay, welcome back. Now that you've learned about what a population is, and how we compare and contrast them, why we do that, and who might use this information, I'd like to get you to look more broadly uh, on the topic of the history of humanity and the history of human migration. So we're going to look at the human population as a whole. We're going to look at where it originated. Um, we're going to look at the changes in terms of total population over the planet over the entire duration of of the period that humanity existed. We're going to look at the migration. Um, let me just spell that out a bit more clearly. Firstly, I want you to look at these sub-questions. What do we know about where and when humanity originated? And how do we know that? And what is the evidence that tells us that this is the case? Second point, how has the total human population of the world changed over the duration of human existence? And what factors have influenced the total population? Thirdly, in what order did humans migrate to and colonize each part of the planet? And what factors determined this migration and colonization? We weren't always like this. So, in order to get you started, what I've done is I've added some useful web links to our Delicious account. And I've tagged them with the following tags, and I need you to maintain this tagging system for today's or for the next two lessons. You can search on our Delicious account for, I would suggest in this order, population geography, there's a tag for that. Migration, there's a tag for that. Anthropology, there's a tag for that. And geography. Obviously, we're going to get quite a few things that are tagged for that. But each of the web links I want you to look at have these 4 tags. So, I'd like you to start researching the answers to the questions that I began with about human population, where it originated, and migration, how it, etc., etc. I'd start researching the answers to those questions by viewing each of the links that I've given you. And once you've viewed all of these links and you've got as much information out of them as you find useful, I'd like you to explore the questions further by conducting your own research. You might well find that there's links from my links that will actually, take you to the places you want to get to. But you, by all means, go your own way. My only condition is if you find new pages that you're going to use, then I want you to save them and tag them with the same system. So you'll save them as new bookmarks and you'll tag them population geography, migration, anthropology, and religion. Religion? What am I thinking? Migration. And population geography, migration, anthropology, and geography. Sorry, I'm confusing classes. Okay, so fine. You're doing this in preparation for another Socratic seminar, which you'll self-assess yourselves. It will go onto the Power School. It won't be GPA. You'll be given this class period and one more, and then after that you'll be doing the seminar itself. Happy hunting.